Homeowners looking for bay window installation. Crestview FL can transform curb appeal, interior light, and property value with tailored solutions built for local homes. From bay window installation in Crestview, Florida, to custom bay windows in Crestview FL 32536, property owners across Crestview, Florida choose styles that match traditional, coastal, and modern architecture. New bay windows for homes, Crestview bring wider outdoor views, better ventilation, and more usable interior space for seating, decor, or storage. Whether the project involves vinyl bay windows, Crestview FL, wood bay window installation, Crestview, or insulated bay windows, Crestview Florida, the right upgrade supports beauty, comfort, and lasting performance in Okaloosa County neighborhoods. Energy savings are a major reason residents invest in energy-efficient bay windows, Crestview, for year-round comfort and lower utility costs. Energy-efficient bay windows in Crestview Okaloosa County often include insulated glass, thermal framing, and double pane bay windows, Crestview, designed to reduce heat transfer in humid Florida weather. Double pane bay windows in Crestview Florida homes help keep interiors cooler during hot summers while improving indoor comfort near busy streets and open residential areas. Many buyers also request insulated bay window installation, Crestview Florida, because insulated bay windows. Crestview Florida can support quieter interiors, improved HVAC efficiency, and better overall home performance across Crestview FL 32536 and Crestview FL 32539. Storm protection matters in the Florida Panhandle, making storm-resistant bay windows. Crestview, a practical choice for homes exposed to heavy wind and seasonal weather. Storm impact bay windows, Crestview Florida Gulf Coast, are designed for durability, while hurricane-resistant bay windows, Crestview FL, add security and peace of mind for families throughout Crestview, Florida. Homeowners near North Crestview, South Crestview, and surrounding Okaloosa County communities often prioritize stronger glass packages, reinforced frames, and reliable ceiling systems. These modern solutions combine safety with style, allowing custom bay windows, Crestview, to enhance both appearance and resilience for houses throughout the Crestview Florida Gulf Coast area. When older windows begin to fail, bay window replacement, Crestview Florida, offers a direct path to improved efficiency, function, and visual appeal. A trusted bay window replacement company can remove outdated units and install new bay windows for houses in Crestview, Florida, with updated materials and cleaner lines. Crestview FL bay window replacement specialists frequently assist homeowners needing bay window replacement near Antioch Road, Crestview FL, as well as properties in established neighborhoods where older wood or aluminum frames have deteriorated. Choosing the best bay window contractors in Crestview, Florida, helps ensure proper measurements, weather protection, and a finished result that matches the home's exterior and interior design. Replacement services are essential when the full window does not need replacement, but performance issues are becoming noticeable. Bay window replacement, Crestview, Florida, can address drafts, moisture intrusion, cracked panes, and damaged trim before small concerns become larger structural problems. Homeowners searching for bay window replacement near downtown Crestview, Florida, often need fast service for bay window frame replacement, Crestview, bay window glass replacement, Crestview, or bay window sealing services, Crestview, after storms or age-related wear. Bay window frame replacement, Crestview. Okaloosa County FL is especially valuable when preserving the existing look of a home is important, while bay window glass replacement in Crestview FL 32539 restores visibility, safety, and energy efficiency. Style flexibility makes modern bay windows, Crestview, a strong fit for a wide range of residential projects in Crestview, Florida. From classic wood bay window replacement in Crestview FL to sleek vinyl bay window installers, Crestview Florida Solutions, homeowners can select finishes, trim details, and projection depths that suit the property. Home bay window upgrades. Crestview may include expanded glass areas, narrower sight lines, or custom seating ledges that turn a standard wall into a standout feature. Modern bay window upgrades near North Crestview, Florida, are especially popular for homes seeking brighter interiors and contemporary curb appeal without sacrificing durability, insulation, or long-term value. Remodeling and renovation projects often center on improving both design and livability, and bay window remodeling, Crestview, can dramatically update a room. Home bay window remodeling in Crestview FL is common in living rooms, dining rooms, front-facing sitting areas, and master bedrooms where added sunlight improves the space. Bay window renovation Crestview may involve structural adjustments, interior trim, insulation upgrades, and bay window exterior finishing to create a polished final appearance. Bay window renovation services near Crestview, Florida also help homeowners coordinate materials, colors, and window styles so the finished installation aligns with the rest of the home and enhances market appeal. Customization is one of the biggest advantages of working with local professionals who understand area housing styles and climate demands. Bay Window Design Consultation Crestview helps homeowners compare projection angles, glass options, frame materials, and interior finishing choices before construction begins. Custom bay window design in Crestview Okaloosa County can support everything from elegant wood bay window installation Crestview to low-maintenance vinyl bay windows, Crestview FL for busy households. Residential bay window services. Crestview are especially valuable when homes have unique wall dimensions or architectural details because custom bay windows Crestview can be built to fit existing structures while maximizing light, space, and efficiency. Local experience matters when selecting installation and service teams for these highly visible home upgrades. Bay window contractors. Crestview, with regional knowledge, understand local permitting expectations, weather exposure, and the best material choices for homes in Crestview, Florida. Residential bay window contractors in Crestview FL often serve neighborhoods near South Ferdon Boulevard, Crestview, downtown Crestview, Antioch Road, and broader Okaloosa County areas with tailored recommendations. A local bay window company in Crestview FL can also provide bay window retrofit services Crestview for existing openings, helping homeowners modernize aging structures without complete redesigns while maintaining strong performance and attractive exterior results. Affordability remains important for many households, and affordable bay windows, Crestview FL, make it possible to upgrade without sacrificing quality. Affordable bay window services. Crestview, Florida can include flexible material options, efficient installation planning, and replacement-based solutions for homeowners managing budget-conscious improvements. Whether the need is bay window sealing and caulking Crestview, Florida, bay window exterior finishing, bay window glass replacement Crestview, or complete bay window replacement Crestview, Florida, choosing skilled professionals helps protect long-term value. From custom bay windows in Crestview FL 32536 to bay window installers near South Ferdon Boulevard, Crestview, homeowners across Crestview, Florida can find attractive, durable, and energy-smart solutions designed for local living.